Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're a regular viewer, it's fantastic to have you here again. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of Crypto Fund Trader, a prop trading firm that's been making waves since its launch in May 2021. We'll explore their funding programs, key features, and why they might be the right fit for you. Stick around till the end. I have a special discount code just for you. 1. What is Crypto Fund Trader? Crypto Fund Trader is headquartered in Spain and offers traders access to two distinct funding programs, the one-step evaluation and the two-step evaluation. They support traders globally, making it an appealing option for aspiring prop traders. Key points. Founded May 2021. Headquarters Spain. Funding programs. One-step evaluation. Two-step evaluation. Crypto Fund Trader is a relatively new yet reputable player in the prop trading industry, aiming to support traders worldwide. 2. Key features of Crypto Fund Trader. A. Two-step evaluation. Account sizes, $5,000 to $200,000. A profit targets. Phase 1, 8%. Phase 2, 4%. A leverage, up to 1:100. A loss limits. Daily, 5%. Overall, 10%. Time requirements. No maximum trading days, but a minimum of 5 trading days is required. B. One-step evaluation. Account sizes, $5,000 to $200,000. Profit target, 10%. A loss limits. Daily, 4%. Overall, 6%. Time requirements. No maximum trading days, but again, a minimum of 5 trading days is required. Crypto Fund Trader offers flexibility with its evaluation programs, allowing traders to choose based on their preferred style and objectives. 3. Customizable trading options. A. Trading environment. Flexible account types. Choose between one-step and two-step evaluations. No trading restrictions. Tailor your trading style without limitations. A low trading fees. Keeps more profit in your pocket. B. Payout structure. Profit split. 80% based on the profits made in your funded account. Withdrawal timing. First payout after 15 or 30 calendar days. The firm prioritizes trader autonomy with favorable profit splits and no trading restrictions, making it an attractive choice for diverse trading strategies. 4. Payment proof and community feedback. A. Transparency. Established reputation. Since 2021, they've provided numerous payout proofs. A Discord community. A robust platform where traders share payout certificates and experiences. B. Trustpilot insights. Community sentiment. Mixed reviews, but generally positive feedback on the trading platform and support systems. The positive community sentiment and transparent payout proofs bolster Crypto Fund Traders' credibility in the industry. 5. Educational resources and user experience. A. Support and resources. A limited educational content. While they offer a comprehensive FAQ section, deeper educational resources are sparse. A professional trading dashboard streamlines risk management with real-time updates. While education is somewhat limited, the user-friendly dashboard enhances the overall trading experience, catering to both beginners and seasoned traders. In conclusion, Crypto Fund Trader stands out as a reputable and trustworthy option in the prop trading world. With their competitive evaluation programs, favorable profit splits, and a growing community, they provide an attractive environment for traders looking to advance their careers. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the proprietary trading industry. And remember to check the link below for an exclusive discount code for Crypto Fund Trader, another perk for our loyal viewers. Thank you for joining me today. Happy trading, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.